It's gonna be fun. Right, Matt?
That's right.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here at Bulldog Customs, where we continue to work on our Burgundy Jeep. Today we gotta fix the wiring harness. We're putting the axle on, the knuckle, the rotor, all that. We're putting all that together to get it to roll. And we're also gonna see what other damage we have. So let's see what happens today and check it out.
Needed a little persuasion line. So.
Yeah. I don't have a...
Charge.
Right underneath. Anything to worry about?
No, I don't think there's something to worry about.
Alright. Alright, well. Let's just stick it in for now and see what happens. Probably,
Yeah.
Do you think we need a seal? Oh, just some grease. We might be alright. Alright, that's what's up. That's always fun.
Yeah. See, and I just connect it the right angle to right left.
Hey guys, so this is what we know. We need batteries to get power to the vehicle, to make sure it starts, to make sure the engine is good. So we're over here at the Jeep dealer. We got to get batteries. We got to see my boy Don. Then we got to get back to the body shop, try to crank this thing over. If it starts, that's great news. Then we'll replace the oil pan, the upper oil pan skirt, and go from there. So we'll catch you guys in a minute.
Door's gonna close. Got fuel. No, you got the pump. Let's start it. Run.
Start back up. This thing can run for 20, 30 minutes.
We're gonna put in gear a little bit more. You can put it in gear.
Put up a little bit.
Alright, start right. Right here. Whoa! You got transmission problems. Nope. The drive shaft's disconnected from the rear end. It ain't even hooked up. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna put it in here and connect the drive shaft now and make sure it rolls. Now we're gonna connect the rear end, make sure it's good. It's a three-wheel drive. Well, not even really trying to.
That was scary as hell. Hey guys, alright, a quick update. The Jeep did start, we got it started. The motor is good, that's great news. Now we gotta go pick up some more parts. We're gonna get the upper oil pan and get parts for that and get it going. But that's great news, the engine's good, the motor's good, so whew, that's what's up, man.
Don't look like it. I was just looking for a mark to see if it was lined up.
Oh, that's why there's bolts in the console.
Ah, that's why.
Yeah, they're all in the consoles. What
Get a
are
ladder.
those for?
Get a ladder. Yep.
All right, well, look what we got here. All right, drive shaft bolts, putting them in right now. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We got a lot of ground covered today. We got the oil pan off, almost. We got the axle out. We got the rack and pinions getting ready to come out. We got parts. We did so much today. The motor's good. It was a great day. So much great things happening here at Detroit Life Garage. So with that said, we'll see you guys at the next one. And make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to support the channel, make sure you guys go to detroitlifegear.com and get your merchandise. Peace!